All right, so this is going to be another example of kind of an impulse low. Um, I've noticed this week that the flows on these impulse lows are kind of slow to snap back, I guess, into balance and really bid it back up. I attribute that mostly to just like we've got a ton of economic data coming out this week, specifically today. This was before the consumer confidence index. This is towards the end of initial balance, so I had these 61s marked as a level of interest. And as you can see right here, this low is super poor. So we're looking for a taper in volume to enter long and then bid this back up. I'd look for above VWAP, possibly 72s, and above that, 83s. So I'll go ahead and play it. You can tell volume's super thick right here, so I don't think we're looking to just break these lows and just drill session down through 61s. I think we're just looking to grab some liquidity down here and then go look at higher prices. So we're down ticking here. Again, sellers not really that aggressive, but you got to be patient on this trade. Not really hitting in with super great volume at the lows, but I definitely do not want to long against this. This is a terrible taper in volume. NQ ticking down as well, expecting ES to follow. Now the sellers are getting aggressive here in the 62 handle, about 350 to sell. 500 now. Breaking new lows. This is a better taper in volume. There we go. That's a big impulse. So we'll see. Can these sellers get trapped? Or are they just going to keep sweeping? And you see they're just getting trapped right here. I'll throw a bit out. 61 quarter. Maybe even move that up to 61 half. We don't want to see these prints violated down here. This is a good low. So you see the bid jumping right there. I'd even throw a bit out 62. I don't really want to go past 62. Otherwise, I feel like I'm chasing that. NQ still kind of hovering around their lows as well. But we want to lean on this. This is about 1,000 lots trapped right here. I'd even move my stop up to a new low of day, just to reduce some risk. You don't have to, honestly. You could leave it at 60s, but that's just what I use. I use an 8 tick. And I know this just kind of bounces around a little bit. See if I can speed this up. Taking a little bit of heat on it, but I don't want to see this low violated before we bid back up. Sellers are still getting trapped down here. The bid is definitely strong. Buyers coming to market a little bit right here, right there. Slow it back down so we can see it organically. But you see, like, even the bid is starting to firm up above us, which is always a great sign, and buyers are coming to market. So this is definitely looking like a great trade. Usually I look to take some off at VWAP, which in this case, not much space between us and VWAP, but I've got these preset limits. I'll just wait and see. But yeah, that's the trade. Impulse low. You got to watch out this week just because of all the economic data coming out, but this was a good trade.